Hello and welcome to another update on the restoration of 7076, the Hymek. So the day's finally come where we've got the engine back in and we're ready to start it. So we've run the preheats up, as you can see here. It works an absolute treat at the moment. So this brings the engine up to temperature before you press the start button. You see it's got amazing fuel pressure, and as you can see here now, there's hardly any smoke coming out the engine, so it was well worth doing that restoration job earlier last year. Here's an overview of the preheater running nicely. So before we attempted to start the engine, we took all the cam box covers off and inspected all the working parts to make sure they've got plenty of lubrication and to bleed off any air out of the fuel system. A few snags on the way, but we've managed to sort these out, no problems. So without further ado, let's have a go at starting it. So instead of me talking and mumbling, I'll let you listen and enjoy the D70 engine idling. So the last thing for you to do now is to come along and see our working engines at the Summer Diesel Gala at the East Lancashire Railway.